Hi, you beautiful people! Back with me again, RUSMIX alive! You guys have been asking me, RUSMIX, I want a dragon. Can you draw a dragon? Can you draw a dragon? Oh, can you draw a dragon? So here's the dragon. He's not only a dragon, but a summoner that summons an ice dragon. And I'll tell you the real story behind this dragon. So first of all, I was thinking like maybe I could draw the dragon from Miss Kobayashi, which is an anime, but I decided like I'm tired of drawing these anime characters that other people create. Alright, I want to create my own anime characters, so here goes my own creation of.
He's just making random name. He don't even know what he's doing. He's just making random names. Oh my god.
This is the backstory. Story about real dragons. Alright, so there are tales and rumors about a lost beautiful subspecies of dragon living in the highest peak of the snowy mountains. These dragons' hearts are hardened against the most weakness, and their breath will leave a trail of bitter cold ice. They are tougher than the fire dragon. Alright, and if you are hiking in the snowy mountain and if you spot of this dragon, you better run, man. Run for your life. And if you don't have a pet that will fight for you or a healer, wait, is this a game? This is a game?
Yes, I wrote that script from Final Fantasy, okay, so appreciate it. You don't have a good content, face it. Alright,
I'm telling a story about real dragon, okay? It's not a game dragon, this is a real dragon. I've created a real dragon. Alright, it's okay. Calm down. I love dragon. You love dragon. You asked for a dragon, and here's the dragon. Alright, so please enjoy my dragon. I mean my drawing. Enjoy my drawing. Thank you very much. See you. It's RUSMIX live. Signing out.
No. You're not signing out now, okay? Okay, you're never signing out until the drawing is finished. Hey. Show them the clip of Kana from Kobayashi. Kana is so cute. I love Kana. I'm a lolicon! Show them.
Oh my god, you stupid lolicon. Oh, that's Kana. Oh yeah, she's kind of cute. How old are you anyway? You're not old enough to be a lolicon, okay? You're not old enough to be a lolicon. Now it's time for the shout out time. Everybody love the shout out time. Okay, for now, shout out to Raven Karasu, shout out to Renzi Tears, shout out to Sketchy Rider, shout out to Miss Art Garden, shout out to Color Explosion. Do you want your channel to get a shout out? Just write a comment in the section comment below and I'll do you a shout out. But I can't read all of your shout out. These guys are so fast, I'm telling you. The moment I upload the video, they're there, writing comment. That's why they get the shout out. Alright, but I'll do my best to read all of your shout out if you leave a comment in the comment section below. And also, leave a like if you like. Don't leave a like if you don't like. What am I saying? Just leave a like, okay? It's free. It doesn't cost anything. Just click on the like button. And for those of you who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. You will enjoy it. I have a good viewer community. Look at them right in the comment section below, supporting my channel. Thank you. I love you guys so much. Why am I clapping? You can't even see me clapping. Why?
Yo, dude. Show them your cat. They love your cat. Show them your cat. Come on. Show them your cat.
I'm not going to do that, man. I'm not going to do that. What this drawing has to do with my cat? You think I'm stupid? You think I'm stupid? You think I'm going to just ruin this content for showing my cat? Huh? Think 8. Intuition.